Take a ride in 2021 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.